Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Dr. Bhumika Makhuri. Here's what I bring to you all from the world of medicine. Case of a 17-year-old with popcorn lung reveals hidden dangers of vaping. A 17-year-old girl from Nevada has been diagnosed with a rare and irreversible lung disease known as popcorn lung after secretly vaping for 3 years to cope with anxiety during the COVID-19 lockdown. Brian, who began using disposable vapes at the age of 14, was hospitalized after she suddenly struggled to breathe and suffered panic attacks. Her mother, Christy Martin, rushed her to the emergency room only to receive a shocking diagnosis, bronchiolitis obliterans, commonly known as popcorn lung. She called me and said she couldn't catch her breath, said Christy. It was terrifying. I never imagined it would be something this serious or permanent. What is popcorn lung? Popcorn lung is a serious and irreversible condition that leads to inflammation and scarring of the lung's smallest airways, known as bronchioles. This damage restricts airflow and makes breathing increasingly difficult. The disease earned its nickname after cases emerged among workers in a microwave popcorn factory who were exposed to diacetyl, a buttery-flavored chemical used in popcorn flavoring. Diacetyl has since been detected in many vaping products, along with other harmful substances like ammonia, chlorine, formaldehyde, and metafumes, all of which can contribute to lung damage. Symptoms and long-term impact. Though rare, bronchiolitis obliterans can develop without obvious symptoms early on. When present, symptoms often include chronic coughing, shortness of breath, especially after physical activity, wheezing, fatigue, fever or night sweats, skin rashes. Doctors warn the condition is not reversible, but early detection can help manage symptoms. In Brian's case, her diagnosis came early enough that doctors are optimistic about her recovery, but caution that long-term effects, including cancer, could still arise. They told me it's permanent, Christy said. She may recover, but the damage is done. It's something she'll have to live with for the rest of her life. Treatment options focus on symptom relief and preventing further lung damage. These may include corticosteroids to reduce inflammation, inhalers, example albuterol, to aid breathing, oxygen therapy, in severe cases, lung transplantation. Patients are also advised to avoid air pollution, cigarette smoke, and exposure to infections. Christy is now speaking out, urging parents to pay close attention to their children's mental health and habits. We had no idea she was vaping. It was her way of coping with anxiety. Now she has a lifelong condition because of it. She continued, if this can happen to my daughter, it can happen to anyone's. Parents need to ask questions, talk to their kids, and know what's really going on.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.